Rajan Chaudhary, Motivational Speaker, Business Coach, and Career Counselor.
Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary. Today I will talk about some best small business ideas. Personal chef. We all love to eat, but few of us have the time or energy to cook healthy, delicious meals. Advertise your services to local families and businesses alike. To save on startup costs, consider scheduling certain groups of clients together. Say vegetarians so you can cook larger quantities of the same dish. Property manager. Many people maintain properties they don't live in, often based in different cities or states. As a property manager, you can help a property owner ensure their home is being well taken care of. Handle small fixes as they arise and serve as a liaison to renters. Packing services facilitator. Moving is always a pain, and many people hire the entire packing process out. Want to have a steady stream of clients? Partner with a local moving service that will refer new clients to you. Massage therapist. Soothe itching muscles and promote peace of your clients as a massage therapist. Look into training and certification courses in your city and state and invest in a portable bed to take a client visits. Crafter. Creating novelties by hand is a fun and unique ways to start a small business. Whether you make jewelry, knitted comfort items, or even custom wigs, there are probably a market for your products. Tap into your audience with creative marketing or on social media and optimize your website for the search engine using keywords that describe the products you make. Bed and breakfast owner. This is another business venture that will require you to research the correct licensure from your state, but it will be well worth it to see your dreams come true. Consider what guests will be traveling to your area and create special packages and themed stays that coincide with their interests in your locale. Interior designer. Similar to landscape design, there are many people who have the ability to buy the furniture and home decor they need to fill their rooms, but few who know where to start. It might take some time to build a portfolio, but documenting your projects and sharing them online can build a fan base beyond your wildest dreams. Non-profit owner. If you dream of devoting your life to a cause you believe in, it might be time to start a non-profit. You will need to incorporate your business and file for 501c3 tax exempt status, and then you will be required to meet ongoing standards of compliances. But the payoff is making a meaningful impact on a cause you believe in. Tour guide. Love the local history of your city or state? Consider becoming a tour guide. Sure, you will need to conduct plenty of research to be able to do the job well, but that's half the fun. Set yourself apart by offering tours that speak to a specific niche of your community's history. Tutor. Whether you are a math whiz, piano master, or Shakespeare aficionado, there is someone out there who needs a little help in your area of expertise and is willing to pay for it. Advertise your services through local schools, community colleges, community centers, and even social media to get the word out and build a customer base. Is it? So thank you so much, guys. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.